Hey, it's Aaron, and we'll be going through the solution for the Square Plus. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. The main goal of this is to fit this triangle into this square with the rest of the pieces. Cool puzzle because it kind of doesn't look like there's room for it. Everything fits pretty snug in this square. So, let's get at her by dumping her out and giving it a tap. Okay, so now we got a big mess of pieces and a frame. We'll start with this piece here. I'll just put it in the corner. Oh, I grabbed the wrong piece. Oh, jeez. Oh, I really meant to put this one in the corner. The reason why I caught that is because the next piece flushes up nicely like that. Then we'll be putting this piece in like so. And lastly, this triangle. Almost finished. That guy in like so. Hey, look at that. It'll fit right there. Oh, it won't if I butterfingers it. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. Cool. That was Square Plus. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.